Nice to see you in another video. In this video, we will discuss the difference between the perfect gas and ideal gas. So, on which occasion we have to use, we will see, and also we will see some other more details. So, let us go ahead. Let us now talk about the difference between ideal and perfect gas. Usually, we often happen to say that ideal gas equal to perfect gas. So, on which occasion we will say that we can discuss. See, in case of ideal gas, T is not constant but can be also constant. In case of perfect gas, T is constant. The perfect gas is ideal when T is constant. Okay, perfect gas can be ideal when ideal gas, in case of ideal gas, T is constant. Okay, so in the such occasion we can say perfect gas equal to ideal gas. Okay, this is the main difference. So when we talk of state equations, we told experimental observation, from experimental observation this equation has been derived, but by combining Charles and Boyle's law also we can derive the state equation. Okay, Charles and Boyle's laws are basically based on experimental observation carried out. Okay, try to understand this. So don't confuse with perfect and ideal gas. Okay, both are same when T is constant. Okay, try to have a note of it. Okay, thank you. Let us now look into a problem. So by looking at this problem, you may think it is a chemistry problem, but it is true that it is part of chemistry also, but it is the problem from thermodynamics, that is gas mixers topic. From the gas mixer topic this problem has been taken. So here see this problem, read this problem. A closed vessel has a capacity of 0.5 meter cube. It contains 20% nitrogen, 20% oxygen and 60% CO2 by volume at 20 degrees Celsius and 1 megapascal, almost atmospheric conditions. Yes. So calculate the molecular weight per mass. So here note down the weight per mass. So we will discuss it. Gas constant, mass percentage and mass of the mixture. So while solving this problem, we take molecular weight of individual gases as per kilo mole. Okay, per kilo, that is for nitrogen molecular weight is 28 and we take it for per kilogram. It is when we say molecular weight, it means it is per kilomole. Okay, here it is, if we say here kilogram, then it is kilomole. If we say it is gram, then it is gram per mole, no kilomole. Okay, so try to understand that. Okay, so this is very important. We should know the on which basis, when we use certain terms, on which basis we use, this is very important. Okay, so in this basis we can see how for R bar, how we convert R bar to R is by dividing it to the specific molecular weight. Okay, so it is joule per mole per Kelvin, and when we divide by molecular weight, which is kilogram per kilomoles, that is here it is there, we get in terms of kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. Okay, if we use the air, we get accordingly. Okay, here, so we divide by molecular weight of air. The universal gas constant is divided by molecular weight of air. Okay, this is obtained as discussed based on not discussed, but this is obtained, this type of data, some constants are obtained by experimental observation or repeated experimental on different gases. Okay, and specific condition, applies different specific conditions. So here so kilomole means we can write kilomole also, k mole means kilomole also, or kilogram mole, and when we convert this to without R bar, we get here the unit in kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. Okay, so try to understand. So how we convert this? So we have to understand. Still, we have to understand what exactly the mole concept. What is the mole? Mole means. So here we see number of moles. Okay, n equal to, we calculate in this problem the number of moles of the mixture by using this relation PV equal to n mix R bar T, and we get the unit of n mix in number of moles in kilomole. We convert it to gram moles. So when we say 1 mole, it means simply the Avogadro number. Okay, so 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles. Particle in the sense it can be atoms, molecules, or ions, etc. Okay, so here what we understand is mole is used is a unit that can be used to convert between the mass and number of particles in a substance. Okay, the mole is used to convert between the mass and number of particles. So we are relating this to masses. This number of moles is equal to mass, because mole is not a molecule. Mole means it is a group of molecules. Yes, group of molecules only form the mole. Group of molecules. Molecules itself is called mole. Molecules means it's a group of atoms. Yes, when we say atoms, so it is the mass of an atom is calculated by using the unit. It is unit Dalton. Okay, it is calculated using the Dalton, but it is the number of protons and neutrons of an atom. Atomic mass means number of protons or neutrons of an atom, and it is the unit is Dalton, or we can say it is in one atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit is again equal to so mass of one atom. Atomic mass unit means mass of one atom. It is given by atomic mass. Mass of one atom is given. It is the number of protons and neutrons in an atom. So it is given, AMU is given, atomic mass unit is 1.67377 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. Okay, so try to understand this. So what I am telling is, so we have to think into depth. So only we can get a satisfaction of understanding. Okay, solving a problem. So mass number, again we can denote the mass number is total number of protons and neutrons in the atom. It is different from atomic mass. Protons sorry, it is atomic mass only equal to mass number. Okay, atomic mass only equal to the mass number. It is the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom. So it is denoted by X in A and Z. We write as a superscript A and subscript Z. We denote the what I stress before concluding. Simply understand this. Before solving any problem, we have to understand from which unit these problems are taken. Okay, so you need to thoroughly understand the syllabus first, and also practice problems in each problem, so that you will get a familiarity and won't get confused. Also, you have to study by comparing. This is very important. Study by comparison. So if you find similar problem in somewhere, say this is related to chemistry also, and you have to compare how, on which equation it varies from the two subjects. So that comparison is required. So you have to prepare when you solve a problem in the angle of practical understanding of the things, then examination point of view, finally university examination point of view, and also competitive exam point of view. So this concept I have discussed, that is per understanding per kilogram and atomic basics, this and all. Yes, so what is mole, what is significance, how it is related, mole and mass is related. So this is needed for competitive examination preparation point of view. So for university examination, it's okay, but anyway, it's better in the competitive angle. Like perform if, understanding is very better, because at any time if a problem is given, you will be able to solve. You should be fit like that. And also practically, when you encounter problem, so you can think of this theoretical basics to give a solution to the practical problem. That is also important, okay, in a clear cut manner, in a short time saving. Also the CFD techniques I told is also compared to analytical method is time saving, because by using computer you are solving. Yes, if you try to solve the same problem in analytical method, it is very important to get results in way we want. Okay, that is advantage. So try to understand these things, whatever I told in the videos. Thank you. Another important thing I want to stress on is that is, when a student study particular subject, they should study with interest, that is in a way of knowing the things rather than scoring marks, mugging up the things. Okay, so if you study with interest, everything will be easy for you. So that habit you have to generate. This is very important. Rather than studying for marks, study with interest of knowing the things, how the system works. Okay, that is very important. Even you score less, if you have this tendency, you will be successful in life. That is, you have to be a learner always. This is the key to success. The top professionals, those who reach top in life, they take this learning as examples rather than scoring marks. So don't lose hope if you score less marks. Okay, so important thing is to know the things rather than scoring the marks. Okay, that is very important. So even if you don't study fully, you study little bit, take a small thing and study it with understanding. Okay, and also time management is very important. So in the angle of time management, you better complete the whole subjects. Take each unit small portion, you try to understand. Second portion you take and try to understand. Third unit you take, try to understand little bit of it. Okay, each unit should give you a overall idea of the subject. That is very important. Okay, so try to follow this. Thank you.